Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E03. So what is this and how do we get rid of it? So the E03 error is an error when the machine fails to drain. So you might also, when you get this error, it might also be accompanied with, the door is locked shut or whatever and it's full of water. Then you're going to get this error, obviously. So what we need to do is we need to figure out why it's not draining. And the number one reason that it's not going to drain is that the pump is stuck or not working. So what you can do is you can come down and just check the pump and make sure that in the pump there's nothing that would be preventing it. Like sometimes a loose button or something like that can come off your clothing and then end up in the pump and stop it from turning. The other thing that it can be is actually the drain hose. So if you want to come in behind your machine and you're going to want to make sure that there's nothing preventing it from draining properly. So a couple things. The hose itself can get kinked or bent or smushed or something like that, especially when you install the machine. It can get pushed up against the wall. If you push it up too hard, it can kink or smash the drain hose and water won't be able to get out and you'll get this error. The next thing you want to check with that hose, so the water gets pumped up and out into the drain. So you want to make sure it needs to pump up and out, but it can't pump too high. So you don't want your hose to have to pump pretty much more or less higher than the machine, not too much higher than the machine. And also where the pump goes into where the hose goes into the drain, I don't know if you can see here that it's in there, it's not coming out, but it's not airtight. Air can get in there to allow it to drain. Also, like if you're using any kind of extensions or anything like that, like I said, it can't pump too high, but if you're using a hose where it has to pump it too far, you might be overworking that drain pump, which will cause you to get this error. So anyway, if you're able to check those things, you should be able to get rid of this E3 error, get your machine draining properly, and be on your way. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.